Hi guys, today we're going to teach you on how to add a test order on Shopify. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Everything is all done and you are all ready to launch. However, you want to test things out if it works properly or it works smoothly. On Shopify, press Settings. And now we're going to do is press Payments. There are two ways in order to do a test order. It's either on Shopify Payments or a third-party provider. And if you see something like this, on your Shopify, simply press Manage on the top right corner of the box. After clicking on it, you will be taken here, and you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. As you can see, there is a test mode. To test Shopify payment setup and configuration to simulate successful and failed transactions, simply press here Enable Test Mode. When test mode is on, all Shopify payment transactions are simulated. So this is perfect to test orders on your site and to make sure that everything is going smoothly. And from here, simply press save and now you can do a test order. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.